Hello everybody, so today we are going to look at damn vulnerable WordPress. So if you want to test your skill, so you can use this. So we are going to install through Docker. So let's go over here and let me get back here, and I have already installed it, so I'm just going to show you the process. Right, first of all, what you need to do is cd git clone this website. So once you have done it, right, then you go back, cd, then dv wp, and once you have been here, so you have this docker compose file. So in order to install it, right, so you can do sudo apt install or docker.io, and also docker compose like this. I have already installed it. Once I have done that, then what we need to do is to build it. So for that, we can do docker compose. So first of all, you need a sudo, then you can do docker compose, then up, then the datas build. Let's do enter. It will start building it, so this might take a while, so let's wait for it. I have done it, so it tried to create the MySQL, WordPress CLI, and so on. So after you have done that, right, then you can do sudo docker compose run, then remove wp CLI and install WordPress. So it will just remove wp CLI and install the WP. So now so whether it's working or not, right? So if we go to this localhost 31337, and let me just reload it. If it's working, then that's fine. So WordPress and as well as this PHP, so both are working, and WordPress credential is admin, and the MySQL password is root password. So here you can find the vulnerability authentication bypass directory traversal to RCE, unauthenticated database access, and remote code execution. After that, you will also have to do unauthenticated attribute setting update and backup authentication bypass. So after so these are the plugins. I hope it helps you. Thank you guys.